So recently, VMware made Workstation Pro completely free for personal use, which is great, but downloading it from the new Broadcom support portal can be a little complicated. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro on Windows 11. To download the VMware Workstation Pro, you need to sign up for this site. I'll put the link in the description. You just need to put the email and the verification code and hit next. Once you've done that, go to your Gmail account or the email account you are using, copy the code, verification code, and paste it here. Verify and continue. Now you have to complete this form. I'm just gonna fast forward this section. Once you're done, click create account. Now scroll down and set I'll do it later. Now go to login and log back to your account that you would just created. Once you're in this dashboard, if you go to all products and search for VMware, sometimes doesn't pop up. I can't find it in this site. So what I found is a link where you can get the free version of the VMware Workstation Pro. So I'll put the link in the description. Click on that and go to this website. Once you're here, you can see all the versions you can download, like for Linux and for Windows, and the earlier version and the old version as well. So I'm going to download this version, which is 22H2, 25H2. Now click on term and condition and then click agree to term and condition. Then click here to download the file and it will ask for a verification. Again, you need to fill this up. I'm going to fast forward so you don't have to wait. After that, click submit. Then you have to click submit again. Then it will go back to the page you was in. Now you can download this file from here. After that, just open the setup and I'll fast forward this as well. Just simple setup. After that, you can open the VMware. As you can see, VMware Workstation Pro has been installed. And that's how you get the VMware Workstation Pro for free using their support portal. And thanks for watching. See you next time with another video.